common argument used against nuclear energy is the claim that all amounts of radiation will have some probability of giving you cancer. Now, that is an assumption that we use in the nuclear industry only because it's conservative. In other words, whatever the truth is, it cannot be any worse than that. And as generally the case in nuclear energy, it's usually a lot more unconservative than the assumptions. For example, we know when it comes to rats, they actually get a benefit from having an exposure to ionizing radiation. In other words, they get less cancer if they get small doses. And we're not rats, obviously, but it's also been shown, for example, with bacteria, that certain forms of bacteria do better. Well, we're not single-celled organisms. And so the question is, well, what happens with humans? Well, there is some anecdotal evidence that shows that with humans there's a benefit or nothing at all. The lowest that we've ever seen in effect is 10 rem, which is way above radiation levels that you can get in the public. With the public, it's about 100 times lower than that dose that you can legally get before you get up to 10 rem. And there's really only one journal paper that says that anyway. And there's a lot of other journal papers that would contradict that. So to say that all radiation comes with a risk, that's an assumption that we know is conservative. And it's often used, as I said in the beginning, like you see right here, as an argument against nuclear energy, when really we're just being conservative and trying to make sure that we're giving far more protection than needed in order to keep it safe.